Welcome back to another weekly dose of aviation. This Lufthansa Airbus A320 suffered an engine failure during takeoff. The plane was going too fast to abort the takeoff, but immediately returned for an emergency landing. Airport emergency services were quick to respond, and luckily, no one was injured. This happened in late August at Frankfurt Airport. This cargo Boeing 747 landing hard in Miami in strong winds. This F15 was taking off when it suffered an afterburner blowout, forcing the pilot to abort. This firefighting plane picking up water to extinguish a fire. This Air India Airbus A320neo was landing in poor conditions, causing a missed approach and a go-around. The plane then diverted from Mangalore to Bangalore. Click the video on the screen to see more. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.